What? What's happening? Stone Cologne 316 here. What? What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Um, got a special one for you today. We just got a package.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Sorry. My daughter watches Blue's Clues, so force of habit. I just got in the new Lattafa Khamrah flanker Dukhan. Now, we all know and love the original Khamrah. I have the Kawa flanker, the basically coffee flanker. Sweet, boozy, spicy. This is very warm. It's got that coffee note, kind of creamy. Really good stuff. And they just launched a new flanker called Dukhan. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And that's supposed to have very smoky and tobacco. So I'd say let's do some first impressions on it. I'll bust this open, spray it, tell you my thoughts on it. So if you're new here, please like this video, hit that subscribe button. If that's something, if this content interests you and you enjoy it, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. It does help out the channel. We're slowly growing, just past 1,400 subscribers. So I'm hoping by summertime I can reach 2,000. So help a brother out, you know. What? Anywho, let's get into it. Let's bust this open. Okay. Standard packaging, just exactly like the Kawa flanker. Kind of has that light brown, burgundy, kind of red brown thing going on. Now this is from Lattafa. This is not from any discounter site. So all right. I know these are kind of snug when you open them. Whoa. Good thing I didn't spoke too soon. Jesus. I think we're good. Totally thought I broke it. Did not. Yeah, we're good. Here we go. This looks friggin' cool. I'm definitely loving the red gradient on the bottom here. That is a great touch. I looked at the notes once. It's got the Lattafa logo there. I looked at the notes once, and I know there's tobacco, and I believe there's like a pimento note in here. It's a red spice note, so I'm very, very curious. And then we'll reference the notes. I'll pull them up after I spray it. But so yeah, so I just found out Ross from TLTG came out with his video earlier today, and he was saying don't grab the cap, don't pull it off because you can rip the collar off. So I've been starting to just twist and pull. So yeah, let's I'm gonna spray in the air and then I'm gonna spray it on skin. So I want to know what it smells like on skin. I got a spot right here. So let's see what we're working with. Here we go. Ooh, spicy. Oh my god, that is good stuff. Let's see. I haven't showered yet, so I'm only going to do one spray here. Oh my god. I'm loving this one already. I'll let that calm down a bit. It's strong, very spicy. Still fruity, still a little sweet. Not as boozy or sweet as the original. Still maintains the that angel share vibe. Oh my god, that's so good. The tobacco is a little earthy. It's cinnamon spice. Oh my god, dude, this is really good. Very, very warm, spicy. I'm going to cross reference. I need to put Kawa on the other one. Just small spray. Just to kind of, compare. Whew. After smelling this one, the new one, Dukhan, you can really smell the coffee in this one. Oh my god, dude. These are bangers, man. Oh yeah. I'm digging this one slightly more. Kawa has more of like a sweet coffee. This is a little sweeter. The Kawa is a little sweeter. The Dukhan, much spicier, a little smoky. Let me pull up the notes here. Amber, warm, spicy, sweet, tobacco, vanilla, balsamic, citrus. Pimento, spices, mandarin orange. Yeah, very bright up top with that mandarin, but it's not like super, super fruity. Labdanum, incense, patchouli, orange blossom, tobacco, praline, amber, tonka bean, benzoin. Has that booziness to it. That's kind of that benzoin booziness. Still has a sweetness, but it is not as sweet as the original and not as sweet as Kawa. But after smelling, here's what's interesting about this. Dukhan definitely makes Kawa smell a lot better than it used to. Sorry, very busy background here. Well, it's a busy bottle. It's not really the background, but this is good stuff. Super strong. You only need like 2 or 3 sprays max with this, I think. For all of them. Any of them. This is some good shit. And it's still cold out by me, so I might wear this to the office tomorrow. Not This is not an office safe fragrance whatsoever. But I don't care. I have my own office, so it's not like I'm working directly next to anybody, so I can wear whatever I want. It's just usually I wear office appropriate fragrances, but oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this tomorrow. I might wear it with like a flannel or something because it is still kind of cold. Um, yeah, this is good, guys. This is good. As soon as I saw the note breakdown, I was like, I need to get that. I just want to check Profumo. I do go to Fragrantica for the note breakdown because they're more accurate. But it's always good to cross reference both sides. 8.0, mandarin orange, pimento, smoked spices, cistus, frankincense, orange blossom, patchouli. I can kind of get that orange blossom for sure. Amber, benzoin, praline, tobacco, tonka bean. Yeah. Good stuff, guys. This, again, I think this is the most tolerated one out of the whole line. It's not the sweetest, it's not the booziest, it's the spiciest and the smokiest. But it's not like super heavy smoky. Good stuff. I mean, it's going to be 8+ hours, but um, I think this is a 3 spray max with this one. Let's look at this bottle again. Look at that. I love this red gradient. That is a nice try. This looks like an old fashioned, like a real old fashioned, like the drink, because you got your cherries and stuff at the bottom. You know, you're like me, you're a whiskey guy. You know, this is supposed to look like a square glass of booze. It's angel share. You know, they try to. This is what they were trying to go for. I don't know if this is supposed to be the clone of the new angel share. I forgot what that one was called, but I don't know. To me, it looks like a freshly made old fashioned with the bitters and the maraschino cherries, not the crappy, generic bright red ones, but like the dark purple cherries. Those real ones, the real syrupy, sticky ones. Those are good. Oh man, this reminds me of fall and Christmas. That's why it was weird that it came out in April. Like it dropped in spring. This is definitely fall and winter. Oh man. And again, everybody, a lot of people are saying this is redundant. I get it. I don't think so though. I think there are just as many differences than there are similarities. You're still getting the DNA. You're just getting a different. It's like any sort of popular designer line, like Stronger with You, um, Azaro the Most Wanted. I'm not saying it smells like that, but it's that's how they flanker. You know what I mean? Where it's you have that core DNA in there. I think Stronger with You does it the best. You still have that chestnut, vibe to it. It still has that DNA. Um, I mean, that's what they're doing with these. So I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of this. I'm definitely I. Oh, it's getting spicier. It's like red hot spice. I mean, it's clear that pimento note. That's a red spice note. And then smoked spices. So it's like you are getting that like incense. Oh my god, this is amazing. I'm gonna spend time with it. I'll give it a full wearing. But I am a fan of this. Definitely a good one to have, and I think this is just going to get better and better over time. Lattafa continues to just, you know, they have a lot of great fragrances. They have a lot of crap ass fragrances, but I mean, when it comes to this line, this is the best one. Highly recommend you get your nose on it. Lattafa Khamrah Dukhan. Get your nose on that. And that's it. Those are my first impressions. I'm really glad that I picked this one up. Um, I'm sure this is going to get a lot of hype. I know I'm not the first video to come out with this, but yeah. Let me know if you guys have gotten your nose on it yet, or if it's something you want to try, um, or if it's something that you don't really care for. I'd like to know. So thanks for watching. Again, on your way out, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, drop a comment if you want. And I hope everyone is well. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll try and schedule another live this week so we can hang out. And again, you know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe. What? And that's the bottom line. What? Because Stone Cologne said so. Take care, guys. Have a good one.